The 2026 Suzuki Jimny is more than just a vehicle. It's a testament to adventure, a vehicle that calls to those who long for exploration and freedom. Known for its rugged design and compact footprint, the Jimny has earned its place as an icon in the world of off-roading, and the 2026 model takes that legacy to new heights. From its bold, boxy design to its unmatched off-road capabilities, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny is built to conquer the wildest terrains. Whether you're navigating through mud, climbing rocky hills, or venturing into dense forests. But it's not just about what the Jimny can do, it's about how it makes you feel when you're behind the wheel. This isn't just a car, it's an invitation to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. The exterior of the 2026 Jimny remains true to its roots, with its iconic compact, boxy design. Its clean lines and round headlights make it instantly recognizable. But its design is far more than just nostalgic. It's built for a purpose. The boxy frame enhances stability on rough terrains, allowing the Jimny to squeeze through narrow paths and tackle obstacles that would leave larger vehicles stranded. It's the perfect balance of ruggedness and agility, engineered for those who venture where the roads end. Suzuki has kept the core design, improving it to better suit modern tastes while maintaining the vehicle's unmatched practicality and off-road performance. The result is a vehicle that demands attention, yet humbly goes about its work of turning every trail into an adventure. Under the hood, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny is equipped with a powerful yet efficient engine that packs enough punch for even the most challenging off-road conditions. Whether you're crossing rivers, powering through deep mud, or climbing steep inclines, the Jimny's engine provides all the torque and power needed to get the job done. The 2026 model also benefits from Suzuki's advanced ALLG-RIP Pro four-wheel drive system, a system designed for the true adventurer. This system allows for better control and traction, helping the Jimny navigate through tough terrains like snow, sand, and rocky paths with ease. Whether you're off-roading in the mountains or traversing through the forest, the Jimny is always ready to face what lies ahead. The power of the ALLG-RIP Pro system ensures that the vehicle can tackle any challenge with confidence and ease. The increased ground clearance allows the Jimny to clear obstacles with ease, further proving that it's more than just a compact SUV. It's an off-road powerhouse. Whether you're climbing a mountain, crossing a river, or powering through a muddy trail, the Jimny's suspension and clearance make it an ideal vehicle for true off-road enthusiasts. In addition to its powerful drivetrain and rugged suspension, the 2026 Jimny offers a smooth and comfortable ride on regular roads as well. While it excels off the beaten path, the Jimny also handles highways and city streets with grace. Its compact size makes it agile in urban environments, allowing you to easily navigate through tight spaces and crowded streets. The steering is responsive, making it easy to maneuver in any situation. On the road, the ride is comfortable, with noise levels kept to a minimum despite the Jimny's rugged build. This versatility makes the Jimny perfect for those who want a vehicle that performs just as well on daily commutes as it does on off-road adventures. Inside, the 2026 Jimny offers a well-thought-out cabin designed for durability and comfort. The interior is built with high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of off-road use, yet still offer a comfortable environment for the driver and passengers. The seats are supportive and designed to keep you comfortable during long drives, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rough trails. The cabin is designed to be both functional and stylish, with a focus on providing an experience that suits the needs of adventurers while still delivering modern conveniences. The dashboard and controls are intuitive, with all key functions easily accessible to the driver. The 2026 Jimny also comes equipped with a modern infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with your smartphone. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can stay connected to your world even when you're far from home. The infotainment system offers a range of features, from navigation to media, ensuring that you're always in control, no matter where the road or the trail takes you. The system is designed to make your journey as enjoyable as possible, with clear and easy-to-read maps that help you navigate both on and off the road. The 2026 model also includes an upgraded off-road navigation system, providing real-time information on road conditions, terrain types, and more, making it easier to tackle any adventure with confidence. Additionally, the 2026 Jimny comes with multiple airbags and a reinforced body structure to protect both the driver and passengers in case of an emergency. These features ensure that, no matter how extreme the environment, you can always feel safe behind the wheel of the Jimny. What truly sets the 2026 Suzuki Jimny apart from other off-road vehicles is its sense of adventure. This isn't just a car designed to get you from one place to another. It's a vehicle that invites you to explore, to experience new landscapes, and to push your boundaries. The compact size, combined with its powerful engine and superior off-road capabilities, means you can go places that larger vehicles simply can't reach. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the experiences you have along the way, the memories you create, and the freedom that comes with owning a vehicle that was built for adventure.